Alrighty, welcome to another unboxing. Here we have a JBL Quantum 810. Some of the key benefits of the JBL Quantum 810 is really great immersive surround sound with DTS, some high-res 50mm drivers, dual wireless connectivity with 2.4 wireless and Bluetooth 5.2. It's got active noise canceling, play and charge ability, with battery life up to 43 hours. Great voice focus boom mic. I think the mic quality definitely is as a standout. And lastly, but definitely very important, is just the comfort related to uh, this headset. Just very comfortable to wear, 1 year, 2 year, however you like to wear this headset. Definitely very comfortable. And additionally, it's got RGB lighting, so definitely it's for those that love the lighting. That's definitely a plus. This is mainly used for PCs or consoles. Definitely, it can be used for PCs, Macs, uh, PS4s, PS5s, I think Xboxes as well. So definitely wide compatibility and um, very good sound quality. So let's unbox this and see what we get. I did pop open the two seals here. There's two pieces of tape at the bottom. And this is would be how you open the item. So you pop open this flap, and out comes. Oh, okay. Well, you don't need to open that, but you can. There we go. So in here we have the headset in a nice soft bag. Okay, it's got a flap, and inside of it, you'll see that the headset is folded with some cardboard paper here to keep everything where it is, as well as a loop here to hold the microphone. Break that loose and take it off of the cardboard here, and you got your headset. I think the build quality is pretty good. It is made out of plastic, not metal, but not a lot of give in these sections. And overall, from a comfort standpoint, this is pretty soft up here. So are the ear cups, pretty soft. All right, setting that aside, we've got some accessories down here. Opens in a flap. Got some reading materials. Got the quick start guide. Got a product registration QR code, as well as some safety instructions and warranty card. I believe this comes with a 1-year warranty. Looks like there's some type of maybe a QA card, maybe, or a feedback survey card. Of course, it's in Chinese. So we also have a USB cable. Looks like it's USB-C to A. We also have a audio cable. So you kind of see both sides, one orange, one black. And on it as well is so voice, like volume, a mute switch. Overall, I think this is about about 4 feet, probably 4 to 5 feet. Oh, let's do a quick measure of the USB cable. Oh. Right, USB cable is about 5 to 6 feet. All right, and then we have this. I believe this is the wireless receiver. Whoop. Get that in the shot. The wireless receiver that plugs into the PC. And then there's a little connect button here you can kind of see to connect to the receiver. Beyond that, there's nothing else. Just the empty box. So this is actually my second headset because the first one had some battery issues. So it wasn't holding a charge. So I went through the warranty process, and it was actually very smooth. I submitted a RMA request. They got back to me with a shipping label to send back the one that I had an issue with, and I got it back within, I would say, 2 weeks of me sending out my own headphones. It's a overall very smooth RMA process. I think I was at maybe month 8 to 10. So hopefully this one will be okay without any issues. But I thought very good customer service, very good RMA process. And it looks like for the RMA, they did send me a brand new headset. So not any kind of refurbished or anything like that. So really great experience. Obviously, can't avoid sometimes issues happen, but I thought they handled it very well. All right. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.